Sunglasses. Ooh, hello. I'm an old grandpa. Hi, it's AYM Toys. Today I'll be opening this lab putty. This lab putty never dries out. Get this open and see what's inside. Look at this. Let's see what's inside here. Oh my god. So weird. It is in a packet. This is so clear and it smells like oil. Very stinky. Like very bad. It's sticky. Let's do the bounce test. Let's play. It broke apart. I lost some pieces. Make my own shapes with this lab putty. Okay, I have to make it a little bit thin. Okay, a little bit. Uh-oh. Make some other cool things. Swan! A swan. Sunglasses. Ooh, hello. I'm an old grandpa. I can't see. I'm a young man. See how far this stretches. Oh no, it's coming down. It's coming down. Only a little bit. Oh, thread. Here it comes. A thread. And thread. Don't fall. It's still going. I'm gonna shake it up. And it ended. Yes. A thread again. And a thread. And a different thread. Let's shake it around. And it ended. I hope you had a fun time enjoying me playing with this lab putty. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and put their comment down below to see which putties you want me to do and challenges with my brother and sister. The notification bell so you never miss an upload. So we'll see you guys next time. Bye!